Welcome back to Buy Smart, the channel where we help you make smarter purchasing decisions. Today, we have an exciting comparison for you. We'll be taking a look at two dash cams that are sure to enhance your driving experience. On the left, we have the ARIFAYZ Dash Cam Wi-Fi FHD 1080p car camera, and on the right, we have the FOCUWAY Dash Cam Front Rear 4K built-in GPS 5 GHz Wi-Fi. Both dash cams offer impressive resolutions, but there can only be one winner in the video quality category. The ARIFAYZ Dash Cam offers FHD 1080p resolution, capturing clear and detailed footage day or night. On the other hand, the FOCUWAY Dash Cam takes it up a notch with its 4K Ultra HD resolution. It's like watching a movie on your windshield. So, if you want the best video quality, the FOCUWAY Dash Cam takes the lead in this category. When it comes to connectivity, both dash cams offer Wi-Fi capabilities, but the FOCUWAY Dash Cam goes a step further with its 5 GHz Wi-Fi. It's faster and more efficient, allowing you to preview and download videos in a breeze. So, if you're a social media enthusiast, the FOCUWAY Dash Cam has got you covered. In terms of parking mode, the ARIFAYZ Dash Cam offers a 24-hour parking mode with collision detection and time-lapse recording. It's like having a personal security guard for your car. But wait, the FOCUWAY Dash Cam takes it up a notch with its two parking modes. It not only detects collisions, but also continues recording even after the engine is off, thanks to its low power consumption. So if you want that peace of mind while your car is parked, the FOCUWAY Dash Cam is the way to go. When it comes to night vision, both dash cams excel, but the FOCUWAY Dash Cam takes it a step further with its advanced Sony STARVIS sensor and f1.5 large aperture lens. It's like having night vision goggles for your car. So if you often find yourself driving at night, the FOCUWAY Dash Cam is the clear winner in this category. Let's see what customers have to say about these dash cams. And that's a wrap, folks. Both the ARIFAYZ Dash Cam and the FOCUWAY Dash Cam have their strengths, but it ultimately comes down to your preferences. If you prioritize video quality and night vision, the FOCUWAY Dash Cam is the way to go. However, if connectivity and parking mode are your top priorities, the ARIFAYZ Dash Cam won't disappoint. Remember, always consider your needs and budget before making a purchase. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and stay tuned for more product comparisons on Buy Smart. Until next time, happy shopping!